All right, what's going on, everybody? So oddly enough, it's a pretty warm day for it to be the middle of December, but we ain't gonna complain. We're gonna take full advantage of it. Y'all know I love the sun. I love the warm weather, so we're gonna go ahead and get it in. We got a kettlebell workout. Gonna be kettlebell and bodyweight HIIT. So hopefully you're ready. We're gonna start off with 20 jumping jacks, like always. Let's get it in. Let's go. All right, front kicks, 20 seconds. All right, we're gonna switch it up. 10 high front kicks. We got 10, 5 on each side. All right, back to jumping jacks. We got 20. Get this up, guys. Shake those legs out. Quick rest break. Catch your breath if you're out of breath. Like I said, guys, just a quick warm up. Want to make sure we're nice and warm and ready to move. We got a lot of movement in this workout, especially with the kettlebell and with bodyweight HIIT. Want to make sure we're nice and warm. Got a good heart rate, pumping blood to our whole body. And make sure we're ready to prevent injury. All right, guys. Next thing we got overhead reach. We got 20, just like this. 10 on each side. Let's get it. All right, we got toe touches. We're gonna do, let's do 20 of these as well. So touching opposite toe 20 times. Let's get it. Get a good stretch in, guys. Good stuff, guys. Go ahead and get that kettlebell ready. Hopefully you're ready for this workout. I'll be using a 30-pound kettlebell for this workout. Use something that's comfortable for you, that's not too heavy at all. You don't want to burn out too early. So like I said, I'll be using 20 pounds, focusing on building strength and burning fat. So you don't want to use anything that's gonna completely ruin you early on. All right, so first thing we got, we're gonna do it's upright row. So squatting down, upright row. We're gonna do 12 of these, guys. We're gonna do 12 followed by 4 lunges. 12 forward lunges. So really heavy on the legs, but y'all got this. Let's get it. We're counting on that upright row. Let's go. All right, forward lunge. Let's get it. Guys, good stuff. Deep breathing. Couple seconds to rest. Then we're gonna get right back into it, guys. Next thing we got, we're gonna squat down, clean that kettlebell up, shoulder press. Squatting it back down, putting it right back down on the ground. Same thing. Just like that, guys. We're gonna do 10 of these. So 10 of these, then we're gonna follow it up with push-ups. So everybody knows what push-ups are, pushing that down, push your body down, and getting right back up, guys. 10 push-ups, 10 push-ups. So again, it's gonna be 10 of these. That's gonna be 1, and that's 2, followed by 10 push-ups, guys. Y'all got this, push through. Like I said, body weight HIIT and kettlebell. Let's get it. Five more, guys, keep going. Last one. All right, guys, 10 push-ups. Let's get it. Great stuff, guys. Quick rest break. Hopefully y'all are feeling good. Hey, if you're enjoying this workout so far, go ahead and hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button. We got a lot of workouts, tons of workouts coming out the next couple of days. Trying to post every single day, guys. Really give you different ideas to start your fitness journey, continue your fitness journey, and to just get healthy overall. That's the goal, guys. Trying to make the world a healthier place and reach as many people as possible. So go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this workout. Definitely appreciate y'all. A couple more seconds to rest, then we're getting right back into it. Next thing we got, guys, it's gonna be around the world. We're gonna do 10 on both sides. So catching that kettlebell 10 times on both sides, switching directions. And then we have halos, and then we have jump squats. So again, just to review, catching that kettlebell 10 times on both sides, popping back up. We got 5 on both sides. Count each time we rotate. And then we have explosive squat. So just like that, guys, 10 times. If you're confused, follow along, I got you. We'll call out every single exercise. So starting off, we're gonna start off with the spinning to the right, 10 times. Catch 10 times, switch sides, guys. Let's go. All right, this is 10 right here. Let's switch sides. Good stuff, guys. Putting that kettlebell up in the air. We got 10 here, guys, 5 on each side. This is 3. That's 4. Keep going, guys, all the way up to 10. Good stuff. 10 explosive squats. Let's get it. Good stuff. Hope you're feeling good. It's gonna be a very quick workout, guys. Y'all know my style. Get it in, get it over with, get on with your day, get on with your life, guys. Don't think that you need to work out for hours a day. 10 minutes, 20 minutes a day is definitely perfect. If you need more, do more, but try to be active for at least 10 minutes a day. You can do that. If you could take 10 minutes to watch a YouTube video or scroll through TikTok, YouTube shorts and all that stuff, you could take 10 minutes to do some jump jacks, squats, and push-ups, or go on a 10-minute walk up your street. No excuses, guys. No excuses whatsoever. So let's keep this thing going. Next thing we got, it's gonna be a kettlebell clean, squat and clean. So it's gonna be just like this. got 10 on each side, followed by jump lunges. So just like this. Just like that, guys. So heavy on the legs again, but your legs is where all your power comes from, and it's how you burn all kinds of calories. Stop skipping leg day. So again, 10 cleans. It's gonna be 10 on each side, and then we have 10 jump lunges. Y'all got this. Easy stuff, guys. Easy stuff. A couple more seconds, we're getting right into it. Deep breathing. All right, let's get it. 10 on each side, guys. All right, let's switch sides. 10 on the other side. Let's go. All right, guys, 10 jump lunges. Let's get it. On each side. Yes, I hope you're feeling good. Not too much longer, guys. We're gonna be done. Definitely appreciate everybody that's been jumping in on this workout. Definitely great to see you. Definitely great that you're choosing movement, choosing to get stronger and healthier today. So I appreciate y'all. If you haven't already, go ahead and like the video and share it with your friends, guys. Bring them along the journey with you. Deep breathing. All right, guys, next thing we got, it's gonna be a front raise, knee raise, knee raise, front raise, knee raise, knee raise. We're gonna go do 8 of these, followed by 20 mountain climbers. So count each time your knees come up to your chest. So a mountain climber looks just like this. Knees to your chest, count to 20, and then we're going to continue on from there. So again, with the kettlebell, front raise, knee raise, and that's 1. That's 1 rep. Going all the way up to 8. Deep breathing. Couple more seconds, we get right into it, guys. All right, let's get it. We got 8. Front raise, knee raise, knee raise. That's 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, 20 mountain climbers. Let's go. Counting each time your knee comes to your chest. Let's go. Good stuff, guys. We're almost there. Almost there. Stay with me. All right, guys, so next thing we got, I guess these are called crossbody curl swings. So swinging that kettlebell up, just like that, guys. Just like that. Just like that. Kind of tap your hand with the kettlebell. We're gonna do 12 on both sides, guys. 12 on both sides, followed by explosive push-ups. So pushing your body from close grip to that wide stance 10 times, guys. So 10 push-ups, counting on that wide grip. All right, guys, a couple more seconds. Again, we got kettlebell crossbody curls, and then we have explosive close to wide push-ups. Let's get it. We got 12 on both sides. Two more. All right, let's switch. All right, explosive close to wide, so counting on that wide push-up, 10 push-ups total, guys. Let's get it. Good stuff, good stuff. Almost there, guys. Stay strong, stay with me. Stay strong and stay with me. All right, guys, so next thing we got, kettlebell swings and 50 push-ups. Kettlebell swings and 50 push-ups. So we're gonna do, let's do 12 kettlebell swings, followed by 50 push-ups, and then we're gonna be done, guys. This is the last exercise. Hopefully y'all had an amazing workout. Hopefully you subscribed and liked this video, trying to spread health and wellness to as many people as possible, guys. So again, kettlebell swings, we got 12, then we have 50 jumping jacks, then we're done. Push through, guys. Let's get it. Good stuff, guys. 50 push or jumping jacks, and then we're done. Let's get it. This is 30. Just like that, guys, we are done with the workout. I hope it was great for you. Hopefully this gave you a good start into kettlebells and into your fitness journey as a whole. Guys, stop playing games with your health. Try to, I just realized the shadow of like the camera is like right in my face, but it's okay. Stop playing games with your health. Definitely try some of these workouts down in the description. I have workouts for all levels. Definitely get your body right, get your health right. And like I said, guys, stop playing games. It's time out for all these unhealthy snacks. It's time out for all this sitting on the couch watching Netflix and Disney Plus. Hey, it's gonna be there. Take 10 minutes out for your health. It's not gonna kill you, I promise you. It's actually gonna make you live longer and a more better quality of life. For sure, I can guarantee you, guys. Just listen to your body, be mindful, do what's in your means of your body. And hey guys, I'm telling you, you'll be fine. You're gonna get those goals. You're gonna get those goals. They're not gonna get themselves, I promise you. I promise you. Anyways, guys, I'm not gonna ramble on. I appreciate y'all. Hopefully you enjoyed this workout. I will catch y'all on the next one.